What's up, everybody? Long time no see. Life have been hectic, so I was so busy recently. But now I'm back, and this is a new episode of Chim Sneaker. So in today's episode, I will present to you one of my favorite sneaker, but not mine, but also like the ladies' favorite sneaker. So this is, let's see, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wow, guess what? Here it is, the Van Authentic on White. This is a very beloved sneaker by many of my friends, which are mostly the girls. Because what? This sneaker, it is super clean and super fancy. I will bring it closer to you to see clearer. So, here is our pair of sneaker. Yes, you can clearly see this. It has a very signature structure of a Van Authentic with a waffle outsole, a very stiff midsole, and a very light and layer upper. You can see here. Basically, the Van Authentic structure is that it has a piece at the front, the middle, and a piece to hold the heels of the shoe. And this has the Van stamp, but in the white and black, which is a little bit different with the original red and white stamp in other model. So this has a very clean look of all white sneaker. And the reason why this sneaker is always sold out in the women's side is because that this is super essential. You can use the sneaker to go with even a skirt, a dress, or can even be a street style, a sports style wear, and it still looks super fit and super clean. So just check out about the model. I think it's a kind of basic Van, so the insole is of course removable if you haven't know about this model, and the fit is just a regular fit for the one who used to use Vans, and that's it. So this is and that's it. See you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.